Andariki Shubhodayam. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Whenever we discuss the case of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, which is otherwise called as the passport case, we discuss the right to travel abroad, right to travel, right to life. It is the best example. She was denied the passport, and the passport authorities did not give the reasoned decision why they have impounded her passport. Ultimately, Supreme Court had to intervene. Likewise, another instance of such type, which becomes a case study, I think some other day this will have the same impact in my view. Right, coming to this particular case, this happened in USA. Mrs. Kshama Sawant, a firebrand politician. She is a counsellor in Seattle City in Washington State, where the Microsoft headquarters is located. She was denied visa to go to India, that is to come to India to call on her mother, Mridula Ramanujam, around 82 years age, and she was fighting with the age-related ailments. She was refused a visa to come to India, whereas her husband, Mr. Calvin Priest, he was given visa to go to Bangalore. On 7/2/2025, actually, according to her, according to Kshama Sawant, she was called to Indian Consulate in Seattle. She, along with her husband, and she has got an organization, that is Workers Strike Back or something organization. They have staged a sit-in protest, like our peaceful civil disobedience movement, as she was not granted the visa. She asked the consulate officials, give me the reasons as to why you are not granted me the visa. But please remember, it depends on the discretion of the consulate authorities whether to grant visa or not. A year back, of course, we went to the US consulate in Chennai. Even they did not ask my wife to come. Both of us were represented by me, and incidentally it was renewed. But when my cousins, they have applied afresh, their visa was rejected based on the ground of income. So many factors will be there. But here the point is, the reasoned decision, the reasons were not given to her. That is her allegation. Similar to Maneka Gandhi case. Her passport was impounded. She was not given the reasons. The court asked her. Of course, now whether this Kshama Sawant will go to the court or not, we don't know. Kshama Sawant is a Seattle City Council member, and she was instrumental in passing the caste discrimination law in the US. ఇది పెద్ద సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ కాంట్రవర్సీ కూడా అయింది ఆ టైంలో, మేబీ అరౌండ్ 1 year బ్యాక్ అనుకుంటే ఇది వచ్చింది. ఇండియా ఈజ్ అ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఫర్ ద సో కాస్ట్ క్యాస్ట్ డిస్క్రిమినేషన్. ఇది అమెరికా కూడా పాకింది దరిద్రం అని చెప్పి అప్పుడు కూడా అనుకున్నాం. బట్ ఎనీవే, ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్, క్షమా సావంత్ అండ్ మెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, దీని పేరు ఏంటంటే వర్కర్స్ స్ట్రైక్ బ్యాక్. ది ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఈజ్ వర్కర్స్ స్ట్రైక్ బ్యాక్. They staged the so-called sit-in protest or civil disobedience movement. Peaceful civil disobedience movement. Right. She says that the authorities are refusing to give explanation. and therefore we are refusing to leave out Xlo tweet kuda pettindi. We are refusing to leave. Of course, they are likely to call the police. They are threatening that they will call the police. Actually, I think the police have also come by that time they have vacated the premises. Now, what the consulate people say? They say that despite repeated requests, they refused to leave the premises. Therefore, we were compelled to call the relevant police authorities to deal with the situation. Of course, this is the third time for the visa to be refused to her. And she is an advocate. She is a long-time advocate of workers' rights. She has done some social justice work also. Of course, she is outspoken critic of the present government in power in India and also critic of our Prime Minister. Right? So now she gives a call that opposition parties must unite, where they have to raise objection for the Indian citizens to be refused the visa, from refusing the visa from using in their families. Her mother's name is Vasundhara Ramanujam, 82 years. So please remember, the consulate did not provide any information regarding the rejection. Let us see what will happen. Why I have made these videos? Sometime or later, this may have with reference, this may have referred to Maneka Gandhi case. Therefore, just make it a case study and better equipped with the so-called present day current affairs. Thank you.